The drivers of global deforestation are economic at its nature. In order to address the economic drivers, we need to create more economically resilient communities. And we believe data is one way for the communities to earn a livelihood that doesn't require them to harvest down the trees. One way a local community can earn an alternative livelihood through data is, for example, through our work in the southern Philippines with a local NGO. They worked together with MIT Media Lab because MIT was very interested in training an AI algorithm for nature detection and tree detection, but they were lacking the data in the global south to make this algorithm really robust. So the local NGO was able to go and organize the community to collect images of trees and mangroves. And for each of these tree pictures they collected, they were then paid through Web3. Local communities are traditionally unbanked. This is where Web3 provides a really elegant solution. The simple transaction from A to B allows us to pay communities even in the smallest amounts from anywhere in the world to anywhere else. And that enables and really empowers the communities to receive rewards and funding through local data collection. Collecting this data is so valuable because it keeps us accountable. So by collecting data, we can prove that these trees and this nature exists. When someone is illegally cutting the trees, we have a proof that we can rely on. But also by discovering really amazing and rare species, we have a way forward to protect the environment. And naturally, by learning more about the environment and nature itself, we're able to train better AI algorithms and also develop better technology. This data becomes even more valuable by having it collected through local nature stewards. Because a couple months ago, I was in the Amazon and I was hearing this really scary animal, and I was afraid it could be my last breath. But next to me was an indigenous data scientist, Marina Mura from the Mura tribe, and she was just laughing at me because she understood that this sound was just a small howler monkey. So really making sure that local knowledge is connected to the data allows us to interpret this data much better, analyze it, and make better decisions. I'm David Dao. I'm the co-founder and chief scientist of Gainforest, and our mission is to stop deforestation using data. If you want to get involved with Gainforest, feel free to reach out to us if you're a nature steward and you want to collect and learn more about your environment and data. But also if you want to donate or invest in some of these communities, feel free to visit ecocertain.xyz to check out some of these cool projects.